everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a free website for your business, whatever kind of business it is. It's an absolutely free website, although it does come with a domain name that has WordPress in its original domain name link. But I would highly recommend anyone who's just getting started in their business to use this to test out and see if your business even needs a website based on the analytics from how many people are visiting your website or not. When I first got started in my online business of tutoring, I used this website and eventually figured out that my audience didn't really need a website, but it was a good thing for me to learn as the process goes. And let's get started to see how you can build your own first free website. And even if you don't have a business, this is actually a good place where you could even build a blog post where you can keep posting content for a lot of different things that you're interested in. And over time, maybe your post gets a lot of visitors and you can think of monetizing it in different ways. So it can be just like this over here, start that someday project now. So you could have a project in mind that you have been thinking about doing for a really long time, but you just never got around to doing it. So as we start this year 2025, it's still like the first 15 days of 2025. If you have something in mind, I would just say without thinking further, just get started and see where it goes. So clicking on the Get Started button, you'll see that it allows you to sign in using your account with different emails. So I generally like to continue with Google. That way it will remember my Google credentials and I don't have to remember multiple ID passwords. So once you're logged in, it'll ask you for your domain name. I recommend not purchasing a domain yet if you're just getting started in your business, and you can just type the kind of industry that you are looking to create your business in over here to see if those domain names are available. So, for example, I teach code and I teach online coding generally. So, coding online, and let's see, it'll give us some suggestion. So this one comes with like free for the first year, but then there is an annual plan. But if you see this particular name, codingonline6.wordpress.com, it says free. And if I were to select it, then this would be my free website for the lifetime of it. Like I won't have to pay any single money on hosting this website. So I don't like the six at the end of this. I'll try to make the name unique. Coding online with the so yeah, this name is currently available for free, which is a little bit meaningful than Coding Online 6. Like I said in the beginning of this video, that your domain name will contain the .wordpress.com, but what I've found that most people who are trying to check out your website aren't really worried about what the domain name is, as long as some of it makes sense in terms of the name at the beginning, which is coding online with d.wordpress.com. So I'm going to select this option, and like you see, you don't have to pay any credit card information anywhere. You can continue for free. You can also choose your domain name later, but I prefer choosing one right now. You can always change it later. So it's asking me for any plans I want. Again, I'm going to start the one with free. Uh, this is highly recommended for people who are just testing out a business idea and who wants to have a portal for their customers to go and check out their website. If you are planning on eventually selling something, you can go for the commerce option, or you can even like go with Shopify websites. And if you end up having a different sort of business idea in mind. There's also like the business plan. But again, if you're just trying to sell a service and have a place where your customers can go see the reviews or check out your content or something of that sort, the free one is the best option. So now it's asking you what would you like to do? Uh, Create a course, publish blog, and contact form as well. This is a great place where if you're doing any sorts of events, you can ask people to um, contact you using the website and enter their email information to subscribe to your blog posts. So that way you can have different people's email subscribe to you, and you can always promote business to them in future. So mm, let's just click a few of these. I'm not particularly saying you should go with any of these same options, but see what fits best for your business. So now it's asking us to pick a theme. Um, you will see that there are some like free themes over here, and then some of them are paid. So generally, again, if we want to keep it simple, a free theme will do. And you can literally go and search for all the different themes. So I have a free option here. And then if you go to like podcast themes, it'll show you some different ones, health and wellness. You can see if you are into selling products in the health and wellness industry, you can use one of these themes. So there is the possibilities of what kind of themes you can have are endless. If you are a real estate agent and you just want to have your front page website, there are some free themes. And obviously, there's more here as well. So, just to get started, I will currently go with the education theme. I'll uncheck all the other box. So it's matching me with some of these best free themes. I still don't like any of them, so I'm gonna keep scrolling to find a theme that I do like. I think I like this one. So over here, if you go and choose any of the premium style, it'll ask you for the paid plan, but I'm gonna keep the free style. You'll always find different options available in the free ones as well. So just keep going with continue so that we can start editing the website. So this takes a couple of moments, and then you'll see over here the option to launch your site. So I'm gonna copy my website link to the clipboard and just launch the site as it is right now, because we haven't yet given the domain name to anyone. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna see how this site looks in real life, and then I'll come back and edit it. So it's talking about the front page with a nice picture of an educational institute, and then arrange a personal visit, admission. So this looks more like a website for a school, but I'll edit it for my classes. And I'll just show you one quick way to edit it. And if you click on these forms, you'll be able to see it directs us to. Oh, currently, these buttons aren't working, so we would have to go into the theme and edit them. So in this video, I won't cover all the details of how to edit your website, but just a quick overview. So if you want to make any changes to this page, you can click on Edit Page. As long as you are logged in with the same account that you used to create the WordPress site, it will show you options to edit. You can also take this tour to see what are the different elements you can use. And this is a nice UI editor, so you can like use click and drop options to edit your page. So if I had to edit any of the text, just to show you like this is how we make changes. And then if you hit save, now I can just check my website's link and go to the about section, and you can see that the text I edited, hi there, this is an example. The changes have been published. So you can now go back to editing your page with different elements. You can add a heading, a paragraph, a quote, some sort of a table, a full quote. So if you want to, so I just added a quote over here, and then as soon as it's published, if I refresh my main page, you can see that the changes show up on the final website. So it's very easy. You would have to play around a little bit with your WordPress, and I think there are tons of tutorial online that you could also refer to on other channels that go through how to make changes to your website. But mainly what I wanted to focus on was to show you a way to um, create this website completely free using any account that you existingly have. There are some cool features on WordPress where you can even generate image with AI. And it will have some credits available for you to generate some of these images if you want to get creative with images used in your website. So insert this image. This is a AI generated image, and it looks pretty good for the website that talks about teaching. So I could just hit save again, and as soon as my website is saved, it will show me this picture on the published page. So within an hour or so, you can actually have a really good looking website for your business, whatever that business is, whatever that service is that you're trying to sell. And then you can use this as the front page to route your customers to learn more about your business. So that's all for this video. If you like this kind of content, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be creating some more helpful videos on how to set up your online business with $0 investment. That's all for this one. See you in the next one.